Hey friends, it's Frankie with Frankie for Life. I'm back with another tech tip. We're going to show you how to use voice dictation to make a note, write a letter, send an email, whatever it is you need to do, but you would rather have your voice do the typing rather than you use your fingers to do the typing. So this is built into Windows 10 or 11. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the Windows key down. So that's the key that has the little Windows logo. I'm going to hold that down and I'm going to press the letter H. That brings up our voice dictation box here. Now the first thing you want to do is go into settings and make sure you have a few settings right. Under select a default microphone, make sure that you have your microphone selected. Now I have a USB microphone plugged in, and so I'm going to use that, but you may have like a headset. Like I've got a couple of headsets. If you chose that, you would need to, put your earpiece or your headset on in order for the microphone to work properly. And so make sure you choose your microphone source. The other thing you may want to do is turn on automatic punctuation. I usually turn that on myself as well. And this other option is you can turn that on if you want it to automatically start recording or automatically give you the recording option if you click into a text field or a text box or you open a document up, something of that nature. I usually don't have that on because I want to choose when I want to use the tool and when I don't want to use the tool. So once those settings are done, again, the Windows key H will bring that up. And now if I click down here and I type Notepad, if I click in here, nothing's going to happen because I didn't turn that one feature on. But if I do the Windows H key now, this should start typing as soon as I start saying something. As you can see, the punctuation is working correctly as well. So yeah, this is just a demonstration of how to do voice dictation to make a note, or to write a letter, or to write an email. New paragraph. So you can use different commands to have this perform those commands. New line. As you can see, it works pretty good. It's not 100% accurate, but it will get you most of the way there, and you can do some editing to correct where it messes up. So that's just a quick tech tip to show you how to use voice dictation to make a note, write an email, or to type out what you want to say from using your voice. So I hope this tech tip helped, and we'll be back with another tech tip soon.